This is our morning routine. Now keep in mind, this is only the backyard birds. Besides this, there's a few in the house growing. There's several up in the garden. And there's another entire coop out here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay, Cash, that's enough. Yes, Clyde, thank you so much for all of your help. Yes, I know how exciting it is, Cash. Okay. Good morning, OG Call Ducks, OG Hens, Randy Bo Bandy, Fred, Kim Kardashian. Hello, baby ducks. Clyde, don't mess with the baby ducks. You'll get beat up by their mom. Okay, what do we have in this one here? Oh my goodness. Come on, guys, let's go. Good morning, Marilyn and Pamela and Drake. Hello, little Bo Peep. Good morning, Call Ducks. Hello. Yes, yes. Oh, look at that. There's Oreo and Reese's Pieces and Violet, Rosie, Clyde being a jerk. Oh, come on. Hurry up, Kooky. Let's go. Oh, you little Polish guys. What are you doing in there? Come on, guys. It's okay. Hey, buddy. All right. Everybody's out. Good boy, Clyde. Keep an eye on everyone, but be nice. Clyde, you're going to get it. Good girl, little Bo Peep. Take care of those babies. All right. Everybody have a good day.